In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set limit order on Capital.com. A limit order lets you choose the exact price at which you want your trade to execute, giving you more control than a market order. Instead of taking the current price, you set your own target. For example, you can place a buy limit below the current market price if you want to enter only when it dips, or a sell limit above the current price if you plan to take profit when it rises. This is especially helpful when you can't watch the market constantly and want to avoid chasing prices. First, log into your Capital.com account. Make sure you're on a secure connection and take a moment to verify you're on the official site or app. Once you're in, head to the Markets or Trading section. Browse or search for the asset you want to trade. This could be a stock, a commodity, a currency pair, or a crypto asset, depending on what's available in your region. Open the trade ticket for that asset. This is the order window where you'll set all the details. Look for the order type selector. By default, many platforms show market order first, but you'll need to switch it. Choose limit order. On Capital.com, it may also appear as buy when price is or sell when price is, which is their way of describing a limit order that triggers only at your chosen level. Now enter the limit price. This is the exact price at which you want your order to execute. If you're placing a buy limit, set a price at or below the current market price. If you're placing a sell limit, set a price at or above the current market price. Take a moment to double-check the number. A small typo can make a big difference, so confirm that the decimal places and currency are correct for the asset you're trading. Before you proceed, glance over the summary in the ticket. Make sure the order type shows limit and the price matches your plan. When everything looks right, confirm or place the order. Your order will now sit pending and will only fill if the market reaches your specified price. If the market never touches that level, it won't execute. That's it. You've set a limit order on Capital.com, giving yourself precision and control over your entry or exit without needing to be at your screen all the time.